Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the video where we talked about the Masters Golf Tournament. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is the Masters held in Augusta, Georgia? Yes, it takes place at Augusta National Golf Club. Is the Masters considered a minor golf event in the U.S.? No, it's one of the most prestigious tournaments in the world. Is the winner of the Masters given a silver trophy? No, they receive a green jacket. Do only Masters champions wear the green jacket? Yes, it's exclusive to winners and a few club members. Is the Champions Dinner a public event with fans? No, it's a private dinner for past winners. Is Augusta National known for its wild and chaotic environment? No, it's known for its beauty, elegance, and peaceful setting. Is golf viewed as a strategic and disciplined sport in the U.S.? Yes. It's respected for its mental and physical challenge. Has Tiger Woods ever won the Masters? Yes, he has won multiple times and is a golf legend. Do Americans watch the Masters just for the commercials? No, they watch for the tradition, the competition, and the inspiration. Is the Masters held in the fall season? No, it's held every April in the spring. Watch this video again to strengthen your understanding, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're always ready for the next exciting lesson about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.